Finally, it's vaccination day for us. Ellarigu namaskara. I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to the Little Things. So it's almost 4:15. In another 10-15 minutes time, we have our appointment. So we are going there right now, and we are gonna get vaccinated. Excited?
Yeah.
I'm excited, nervous, tensed. Everything is happening.
Mixed feeling,
Yeah. So we are gonna do it finally today. So we were just doing our groceries this week, and outside metro we saw that they are, conducting vaccinations in their pharmacy. So we just came back home, we checked for availability, and for the 3 days there were no slots, and
Yeah.
today, Saturday, there were slots available. So we picked our slots, and the entire process is pretty simple. All you have to do is give your basic details, your name, your address, and make sure to have your health card handy because you need to enter some details out of it. So it'll hardly take you 5 minutes. And since the vaccination drive is on since last month now, there's not much scarcity to book your slots. You'll easily get them in a couple of days time. So we got it for within 3 days time. So it's pretty good. So before going to get your vaccination, just make sure that you've had your food. Don't be tensed. It's all gonna be fine. Wear some extra comfort clothes. I'm wearing super comfy clothes. So got to do that. That's it, nothing much. And you need to carry your health card. I actually called them up and asked if I have to get any address proof or ID proof. They said health card should do. So we got slots with 10 minutes apart, like mine is at 4:35, his is at 4:45. So we have 10 minutes. We'll go and we'll keep you updated if at all, if we have some side effects. You'll get to know that as well.
We'll update you.
Yeah, we'll keep you posted. Now let's go and get it done.
So we are done with the first dose of our vaccine. So we are headed back home. Let's see.
We'll give you more updates after going back home, like how was the entire process, how much time it took, everything. It's too sunny here, so we'll go back home and we'll let you know. So we are back and we are done with our first dose of vaccination. So it took us almost 1 hour's time for the entire process. So we basically went there and let them know that we are here for the vaccination. So they just checked our health cards and made some entries into their systems and asked us to wait in the line. And there were just 3 people ahead of me. So I got my vaccination first, and it was pretty simple. I entered inside, and the pharmacist, he asked me how I'm doing, and he again told me that it's going to be Moderna vaccine that they're gonna use today. And yeah, it was pretty much simple, and they were keeping the place very clean and tidy and sanitized for each and every patient.
After every turn, they
the
used to
person who was
sanitize
going
the chair.
Yeah.
And then after, once you taken the vaccination, you need to come outside, wait 15 minutes.
Yeah.
And that's it. They will let you know when exactly is your next dose arriving or when you're supposed to take your next vaccine. So for us, it was October 2nd.
Yeah, October 2nd is our second one, and they let us know if there's any changes. that's about it. It was
Yeah, that's
pretty straightforward. And one interesting thing was usually when we get injected, they like sanitize, they inject and then apply the plaster, right? Here it was the other way around. They cleansed the place with alcohol, and then he was like, we have some special
Band-Aid.
band-aid, and he stuck it and then gave the injection. So that was something different. And basically they give you out a form, something like this, with details of
what you
should I
might
do.
feel and what you can
Yeah,
expect for the next few days.
right after the vaccine, what's gonna happen and all those things, what you can do. And also once you're done with it, they also provide you another receipt or vaccine administration record with all the details of when your second vaccine is going to be, which you need to carry along with you, along with the health card, and you'll get your second dose of vaccination. That's about it.
That's it.
So I don't know. It's just my overthinking, I guess. First 5 minutes I was really fine when I was waiting. So basically they ask you to wait for like 10-15 minutes time just to see that whether you have some reaction to it, allergy to it, or something like that. So they can treat you then and there. So nothing like that happened, but within 5 minutes, maybe I was concentrating too much about the injection. I slowly started feeling that my hand is like getting heavy, but now it's all fine. For him, when he injected him, he said it hurt him a little, but he's fine otherwise.
And the injection, like, no, it's not like your regular injection. It was a bit of a different, it was kind of a jab. Yeah, but yeah, it was different. And I just felt the pain when they did the initial vaccination, but after that I was fine. Like after 5 minutes, let's see. Like
I hope nothing happens. I don't want any fever or soreness or anything like that. But yeah, let's see how it goes. And what else?
We'll just wait for another 24 hours or 48 hours. We'll see if there's any changes. We'll update you or document everything.
Yeah, but one interesting thing that I wanted to share is he's like, what is she gonna say? So basically, in our last video, and I hope you have watched it, wherein we have discussed about clinical trials and vaccination, everything. Please do watch it if you haven't watched it. So I told you guys, right, that I'm into clinical research. So the company for which I'm currently working for, it has actually played a very major role in, coming up with this vaccine, and that's Moderna. And incidentally, we have got vaccinated with Moderna today. So I really feel like life comes a full circle, that kind of feeling I am having. And although I have not worked for this vaccination, I know of people who have contributed, and it really makes me really, really proud for the work that we all do. And I really appreciate it. Like whatever people have really worked so much hard for it. So I really felt happy when they said that they're giving Moderna. So yeah.
So that's it.
So that's it for today's update, but this video will continue, I guess, if we have some side effects. Even if we don't have it.
5:40 right now. As of now, everything's good.
Yeah. So if anything happens, we'll definitely let you know. And even if something doesn't happen, even that will be
updated.
Updated. So that's about it. Catch you later. So a quick update before we sleep. It's like 10 in the night now. He absolutely has no side effects whatsoever.
Hope this remains the same.
Yeah, I hope so. And in my case, I don't have anything except for there's a little bit pain at the site of injection. That too, if I try to lift my hand like this, I can feel that heaviness, or else it's all fine till now. And I hope it, as he said, it will continue being this way. So let's see what happens tomorrow or the day after.
Yeah.
Bye for now.
Hi guys, it's been 24 hours since we took our vaccine. So far it's all good. Only thing is we're experiencing a small pain. like when we move our hands. That's it. Otherwise, it's all good. Again, hope it remains the same.
It's very much bearable, and maybe because we didn't take any painkiller, it's still there. Or else I don't think it would have bothered us so much.
Yeah, it's manageable. It's not that big of a deal.
That's about it. Nothing else happened. So we are all good. So we had just come out to do some shopping at Dollarama, and I had spoken about this park near our home called Glamorgan, right? So we had come here. I don't know, it might be too noisy for you, but I'll just quickly show you around. There are a lot of families that have come up here, and they're like doing barbecue and having a good Sunday time with their family. So it's been a week since we got our vaccinations done, and we are good. Nothing happened. And by day 3, the pain which we had in our hands, even that went away. So it's all good. I had my periods, nothing happened. And I also had got a question from my science teacher saying I could have covered whether pregnant women can, get vaccinated or not. So I read up about it. So with whatever data we have so far, it's perfectly safe for them to take vaccination as well. And even lactating mothers, even they can get vaccinated. So if you're wondering where is Rajesh, he's busy playing. Let me show it to you. So yeah, that's it for the day, and I hope to see you all soon in my next video. I wish for all of us to be blessed with abundant love, peace and happiness. Take care, and do remember, life's all about the little things.